Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Jackal and the Drum. Once upon a time in a forest there lived a jackal. He was a greedy jackal and would always eat up any animal killed by the other jackals of the pack. All the jackals were tired of him, so they banished him from their pack. Now, the jackal had to hunt food all by himself. One day, as he was wandering in search of food, he came upon a battleground. A war had recently been fought in this battleground, but now it lay deserted. The jackal stood there for a while, wondering whether he should go into the ground and look for food. As he lingered there, he heard a great sound. The sound scared him a lot. He fell into a deep thought and said, "Ah, disaster is upon me. I am as good as dead already. Only a monster can make such a sound. What kind of dangerous creature is hidden in this ground?" Frightened, he turned around and started running away. As he was running away, the jackal thought, was that sound really a dangerous animal? Maybe, or maybe not. It isn't wise to run away from something without knowing what it is. Thinking so, the jackal turned around and went back into the battleground. As he grew closer to the source of sound, he saw a big war drum under a tree. As the wind swayed the tree, its branches rubbed against the drum, making a loud shrieking sound. Ah, I was such a fool to have run away from something so silly, thought the jackal. No longer afraid, he scouted the battleground for food. He soon came upon a tent, inside which he found a large store of food and water. The jackal ate to his heart's content.